The zebra, nature's striped marvel. Introduction. When it comes to captivating creatures of the animal kingdom, few can rival the zebra. With its distinctive black and white stripes, the zebra is an iconic symbol of the African savanna. Beyond its eye-catching appearance, this remarkable animal possesses unique qualities and adaptations that make it a true marvel of nature. In this blog post, we will delve into the fascinating world of zebras and uncover the secrets behind their stripes, social behavior, and survival strategies. The enigma of stripes. The zebra's black and white stripes have long puzzled scientists and enthusiasts alike. While their striking pattern is visually stunning, it serves a practical purpose as well. One of the prevailing theories suggests that the stripes help confuse predators, making it difficult for them to single out an individual zebra from a running herd. Additionally, the stripes may play a role in thermoregulation, as they create air currents that aid in cooling the zebra's body under the scorching African sun. A tapestry of social dynamics. Zebras are highly social animals, typically found in groups known as herds. These herds consist of a dominant male, or stallion, several females, and their offspring. The striped equines maintain strong bonds within their herds, relying on cooperation and communication to thrive in their challenging environment. Their distinct braying and body language allow them to convey messages and maintain herd cohesion, essential for protecting against predators such as lions and hyenas. Survival strategies. Survival in the African savanna is no easy feat, but zebras have evolved some remarkable strategies to increase their chances of survival. Apart from their aforementioned camouflage through stripes, zebras are also incredibly agile runners, capable of reaching speeds of up to 40 miles per hour. This impressive speed helps them evade predators by swiftly darting away from danger. Additionally, zebras possess powerful kicks that can be used as a formidable defense mechanism when faced with a threat. Equine family, zebra relatives. While the zebra stands out for its striking stripes, it is important to note that zebras are closely related to horses and donkeys. All three belong to the equine family, sharing common characteristics such as their hoofed feet and herbivorous diet. Despite their shared ancestry, each species has adapted to its respective habitat, with zebras becoming experts in surviving the harsh African grasslands. Conservation concerns. Like many other iconic species in Africa, zebras face numerous challenges to their survival. Habitat loss, poaching, and competition with livestock for resources all pose significant threats. Fortunately, several conservation efforts are underway to protect these magnificent creatures and ensure their continued existence for generations to come. National parks, wildlife reserves, and awareness campaigns play a crucial role in safeguarding the future of zebras and their ecosystems. Conclusion. Zebras, with their bold stripes, captivating social dynamics, and survival strategies, represent one of nature's most extraordinary creations. Their unique adaptations and behaviors continue to captivate scientists and nature enthusiasts, reminding us of the wonders that exist within our natural world. As we strive to protect these enchanting creatures, we can learn valuable lessons about the importance of conservation and our responsibility to safeguard the rich biodiversity that surrounds us.